Hello, today I will be showing you how to conduct a keyword search in the database ScienceDirect. To start us off, a database is defined as a collection of data such as reports, articles, tables, and other objects that can be retrieved. And a keyword search is a search for a significant word that is then used to signify the content of a document. This can include the author, the subject or subject heading, or just a word that appears in the text. Now, before you start searching a database, you should consider what you are looking for and additional criteria to help narrow down your search so you don't get drowned in irrelevant search results. For this video, our example research topic will be the Zika virus, but just typing in Zika will probably bring us too many results to search through. So for this example, let's say our research question is, what are public health organizations doing to monitor the Zika virus outbreak? This gives us more options or words to use in order to narrow or refine our search. So our search strategy can include the terms Zika and outbreak or pandemic, and surveillance or monitor, and public health. By adding the words and or in capitals, we are adding Boolean operators to help us add multiple concepts in order to refine our search. Using the Boolean operator and, we are able to narrow our search to only bring up results that include all concepts, and adding the Boolean operator or allows us to broaden our search to include either term to our results. Now that we have a search strategy planned out, let's head over to ScienceDirect. So we are going to start at the Durham College Library website. Now that we're at the library's website, let's click on Subject Guides. Since it's a science database, let's click on Science. You can click on any of the options below, but for now, let's click Biology. Since we're looking for a database, let's click Articles and Databases. At the bottom of the screen, under Major Indexes, you'll see ScienceDirect College Edition, which we can now click. Now, enter your username and password as prompted, and click Submit. Now that we're at the database, let's click Advanced Search. Just to get an idea, let's only search Zika to see how many results we get. All we have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Search. Clearly, with over 1,700 results, we need to add more terms like we discussed earlier in the video to refine the search. Let's go back to Advanced Search. As you can see in Advanced Search, we are only given 2 search boxes. So we will go to Expert Search to be given even more options. Now we can go ahead and type in Zika and outbreak or pandemic and surveillance or monitor and public health. The reason why I added brackets here was to make sure the database understands where one concept starts and ends before going on to the next concept. This also makes sure the database doesn't mix up concepts along the way. At this subject box, you can limit your results to a certain subject or multiple subjects if you hold down the Control key, but for this example, we will leave it at all sciences. The next portion allows us to limit our results to a certain type of work, such as an article, book review, or editorial. In this case, let's check off article. Another step you can take is to limit by the date of publication, which is helpful especially if you do not want outdated information on a topic. So we'll change it from all years to 2010 to present. Now we can finally click the search button. As you can see, 23 results is a much more reasonable amount of results to look through, and they are more likely to be relevant to our research question. So let's click on our first result. When you look at an article right away, you get information about the journal which the article came from, such as the name, volume number, and page numbers. And if you scroll down, you can see highlights or key points of the article, then the abstract, and the keywords before going into the article. Here you can see that 2 of our search terms came up along with the term outbreak, which was in the title. If you decide you like the article, you can download a PDF from the icon in the top left corner. One nice feature is that you can export a citation or a combination of citation and abstract into text or into citation managers such as Mendeley or RefWorks. So for now, I'll just click on Text and Citation Only, and then click Export. And here we have a citation. And that wraps up this video on how to do a keyword search through the database ScienceDirect. If you have any other questions, you should consult the science librarian Fiona Monroe at 905-721-2000 at extension 2963, or email her at fiona.monroe@uoit.ca. Thanks for watching!